Sheila Jane C. Amparo.
And I'm Shonami Amipata.
And I'm Adrian Bihar.
And we are your vlogger for today.
Are you waiting for someone?
Kung titigil ka nakakaasa kasi wala na siyang pagkasa bumalik.
We have a musical presentation to you that can give us your Savior.
And the title of the song is Maylilita ang Heart.
Ang pag-ibig natin, tulad ng langit na kay sarap marating.
That is true indeed. That's the love I want to give. The love that He always gives is the reason why I live. He is the only reason why I always do my best. With Him, I felt the safest. With Him, I am at my happiest. It's Him. It's always been Him. If I'm gonna fall in love, I know it's gonna be Him. It is Him. It's always Him.
Ang pag-ibig na atin, siyang kay sarap damhin. Bawat sandali natin ay hanap-hanapin. Kung mapaglalayo man, tayo ni paraluman. Paglamlam ng damdamin ay aking iiwasan. Piling ko ang pagsipi sa puso mong mapili. Ang makita kong muli at magbalik sa dati.